Hello YouTube. I'm back again. A little sweaty. You know, this is Memorial Day weekend and been getting things together for the barbecue. We got people coming over and everything, so been working around the house all month. You know, summertime now, basically. But basically I wanted to talk to you about being prepared. I mean, we talked about food, weapons, ammunition, you know, water sources. But something else you need to do, and you need to have, you need one of these, bunch of these. See, this is a book. It says how things work. Okay. Now, the reason I wanted to show you the book because I got a whole encyclopedia of these books, you know, and it shows how everything works. I mean, plus I got my basic home maintenance book, you know, plumbing and stuff you do around the house and stuff like that. And plus I got my old tech books from school. So what I'm saying is that not only do you need to have water, food, guns, you know, and people in your group, you're going to also need to have books. I mentioned it before in another video, and I mention it again now because knowledge is going to bring us back from the brink. Okay? When people say that we're going to go back to the time of Stone Age, I don't believe it because first of all, we are intelligent people even though we do stupid shit. We are intelligent enough not to destroy the planet. I hope we're not going to destroy the planet, but you never know. I have no idea how other people think. But anyway, I'm just saying that along with the food and water and stuff, you're going to need books, you know, because you're going to have to keep abreast on the knowledge that you have, you know, and plus the younger people in your group, you know, that doesn't know anything, they'll need the books. Hopefully they'll be able to read because, I mean, you know, you have a youngster or a toddler and something like that, you're going to have to teach them how to read because you got to remember one thing, and if shit hit the fan and the world going wild, the educational system would be gone. There is no education. You are the education. You got to do homeschooling. And that'll be on another video. But right now I'm just saying, along with the food and the water and the ammo, you're going to need to have books to tell you how things are, how things work, and what to do, and how to fix things. Okay, that's about it, YouTube. Have a good holiday.